Hi, and welcome to RN by Inside Learning Hub. Continue with the Selenium series. This is the third video of the Selenium series. Today we will understand how we can interact with an element with the help of locators, which we already discussed in the earlier video. So let's begin. I hope you have watched the earlier video where we discussed the theory part of the locator. What is the locator? Why we are required a locator? How many locator we have? And other functionality of the locator. So today video is the practical part. So I created a package for, and now I'm going to create a class. Okay, basic common locator. Okay, now I'm going to copy this setup browser setup path. So we don't require to set up again, as we already discussed the setup path, how we can set up the different browser and how we can launch the different of browser. So now my targeted browser are MS Edge, and now we will discuss the ID name, tag name, class name, linkText, and partial linkText. Okay, the different locator with to interact with the an element. Okay, so now my target website is Facebook. So we will try to write email in the email tag input box, and a password in the password. Okay, and click on a button. Okay, okay. So now uh, driver dot navigate dot to dot so now copy this one, Facebook, and uh, driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Okay, so driver dot find element y. So first is we have, you can see that we have so many method. Okay, so one second. So driver is an interface object. Okay, so it provide us so many method. You could close, equals, find element, file elements, get class, get current URL, get page source, get title, get window handles, has code, manage, navigate, notify. Different kind of method to perform an activities. So now, for now, I am using a find element, and find element is a parameterized method which required a class object. Which kind of class? By class. You can see that by class object. So now, so by is a class which have different classes and method. So you can see we have so many method in a class. Okay, and also class. These all the class is uh, inherit the by class. Okay, we will see the hierarchy of the by. For now, we we are we are using id. Okay, and id method is a parameterized method. Which kind of parameterized method? Is a string type parameterized method. So now I'm going to use, and now provide a element locator address. Okay, so element address. So now, okay, so now right click on that and click on inspect element, and you will redirect to on a tab. So why this not open? 1 second, try this again. 1 second. Something is, oh, my laptop is going hang. Sorry for that. 1 second. Okay, you can see. Why? 1 second. We are try to another Facebook. Some issue on edge. Okay, right click on that, inspect. Okay, perfectly fine. So you can see we have ID. ID is the attribute. I am going to zoom so you can see the easily. 1 second. Okay, so ID is the attribute and email is the attribute value. We have already discussed in the earlier video, in a previous video. Okay, so now I'm going to use this. So now zoom out this and going to our code. So what is the email? Okay, email, and you can see that. So this return the web element type. 1 second, element. Okay, so now we are going to write a email. So for write an email, so we are going to use a send keys. So send keys help to write any anything's character by character. It's character sequence. We can say in strings. So send key is a parameterized method. So I'm going to use this, and now I'm using my email ID, where keys sumit@gmail.com. Okay, now now password. Right click on that, and you can see now we are going to use a different way by name. You can see we have name also, we have ID also, but now this time we are go with the name. Okay, as we have a name method also. Now driver dot find element, okay, dot by dot name. Okay, we have name method also. So name method is also a parameterized method which required the value. So what value we will provide? 1 second. So name, not password. So name is pass. So I'm going to provide any random password. So now a password, send keys, okay, and random password. Okay, so now after this I try to click a forget, or I try to click on a button. So now inspect element and click choose a different way with the tag name, okay, with the button. So button is the tag name, value is the attribute, or one is a attribute value. Okay, this is a HTML augment curly braces in a, not curly braces. Okay. Now we'll driver dot find dot and dot by dot tag name. Okay, tag name also a parameterized. So this is a button. Now, so this is a clickable button. This we write on a input box and we click on the button. So for click we have a click method click. Okay. So now for first ID, using ID. Okay, and second is name, and third is by 3 dot by tag name. Okay, and now suppose that dash dot com at login. So we will redirect on it. Okay, and I will click forget password. So now right click on this, and now I'm going to click the login, link tag link. So this is a link type. You can see that as soon as we are going to this, so the mouse cursor is changed. Hope you are you are able to observe this. So as soon as I hover the input box, so I get a pointer symbol. So as soon as I hover the button, so I get a hand symbol. Okay, so now this is a link type. So now I'm going to click fourth is link text with the link set driver dot find element dot by dot link text. Okay, so link text is forgotten password, as we are as because we are using a wrong username and password. This is not my you know right username and password. So this is our scenario. Okay, so our scenario is write the our test case is write username and password, click on button, and as soon as we got an error screen, validation screen we can say, and then click on a forget. Okay, so uh, run this code. Perfectly fine. Okay, click. So now perfectly fine. So our code is our test cases is pass. Okay, so you can see we have no any error on this. This is a okay, no any error. Okay, hope you got it. So we understand the how we can use this. Done. How we can use this, and how we can use this, and how we can use this. Okay, now this two also we will understand. Let's begin. Second, so for this we are going to use another website. Okay, so now I'm going to click forgetting password again. So now I'm going to comment all these things. 1 second. Okay, and fourth, fifth, partial linkText. Okay, so driver dot find element y dot partial linkText. So partial linkText is password. Okay, dot fix. Okay, so in link text we need to provide a exact value of that link, link element. You can see exact value of the which is a pair in between the tag. You can see, second zoom in. Okay, you can see the forgotten password is under the this tag, a tag. Okay, this a tag. So under this tag, this is the inner text value. And in a partial link tags we can provide any tags which should part of the whole tags. So forgetting password is the whole tags. Okay, the full tags. Or we are providing only the password. So the script will find the password which is the part of this whole text. So we'll target with locate the element. Okay, with the help of that text. Okay, so now I'm going to try to achieve this. So now click run this, and hope everything is will fine. And launch second. Okay, perfectly fine. Okay, I'm going to run again. This is very fast, very fast. Okay, okay, you can see right click, perfectly fine. So our test cases pass. So now we have understand this also. Now this is pending class name. So we will go with another website which is Google. Okay, so our agenda is to understand every locator. Okay, so now my test cases is I'm going to I'm going to write any query on the search bar and click on enter, then see the result. Okay, so now right click on that search bar. So now 1 second. So google.com. Okay, so google.com, I am going to comment on this. And 6 is class name. Okay, driver dot find element dot by dot class name. And so you can see, once again I'm going to zoom this. So we have so many way we can handle the search bar. Why the class name, why the name, why the id. We have id also. I believe we have id. 1 second. 1 second. No, we have no id. Okay, so we have name, we have class. Okay, we have type also. So we will understand how we can achieve, how we can interact with the type. So now, for now, I'm going with the class name. So now click the class name here, and we can store in the Babe element. So this method will return the Babe element type. So I'm going to use the Babe element class. So Google search bar. Okay, bar. So now we need to import the class. Okay, class location. So this is the class. You can, oh no, sorry, Sorry for that, guys. This is an element. Web element is a, this is a interface. This is an interface. My apologies. Okay, so Google search bar dot send keys. Okay, so my query is my search my YouTube channel or my channel. Okay, 1 second. R and Y inside learning hub. Okay, and now we need to enter, we need to press the enter. So Google search bar dot send keys dot keys. So as you know that the enter key is in a keyboard. So with the help of keys we can achieve the this situation. Okay, now hope everything is fine. Now I'm going to run this code and now explain you again. Okay, hope this will work. Now Google is open, the R and Y is perfectly fine. You can see. Okay, so you can see the send keys. You can see that with the help of wave element object we can store this, so we don't need to write again and again this code. Okay, and now we can perform a different action with the help of object. So we here we are write our query on a Google search bar and press the enter button. Okay, you can see the result. Okay, you can see Microsoft Edge is being controlled by automated test software. Okay, and guys, many website is block the Selenium by using Selenium. So you can see I have a different uh, you know we can say social media, or we can say website, we can say you know different YouTube channel. This is a website where I'm trying to create by on. This is my Facebook page. This is my Quora page. This is my different. Okay, okay. I hope you have liked the video, and for show your response, please like this video, and I glad to receive your suggestion, feedback, and your queries in the comment section, and try to support me to share it with your network. Okay, hope you understand the concept of the locator. So in the coming video we will come with the how we can achieve with the help of CSS locator, CSS selector, and XPath. Okay, I will create a CSS selector in separate video and XPath in a separate video, and so. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching.